Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how to do 2% cameo in Snapchat, how to add your friend into cameos. So before we start, if you didn't seen my previous video on how to make cameos, you can check that video. The link is in the description. And one more thing to remember, if you remember this screen, if you didn't enable 2% cameos while making selfie for cameos, then it will not work. So you have to make this enable. Now let's check how to do 2% cameos. So I have two accounts. This is the first account and this is the second account. So I'll send message to my other account. So this is the first account. Let's go to cameos. So in this account I am wearing glass. Now let's go to the second account. Let's go to cameos. So here I am not wearing glass. So from here I'll send message to my second account. Okay, let's send this one. Okay, I received message in my second account. Let's go there. Okay, so I received message. Now let's go to cameos. Now let's check if we have 2% cameos. Okay, and here we are. Let's check if more cameos. Yes. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do 2% cameos in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.